Hello everyone, we're gonna continue today with E major, and E major, it has 4 sharps, right? So we did C major, no sharps, nothing, and then we did G major with 1 sharp, right? We did D major, a fifth higher than G, right? So D, 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. We did A major, 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. And then a fifth higher, we're gonna find the E major, and the sharps are F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and now we're putting the D sharp. We add the D sharp, F, C, G, D. Again, you can learn these sharps like that. So, obviously we play almost all, but not the A sharp. So, E, exactly the same fingering like in the other one. So, let's go. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going back. Obviously, the way how you practice, some they like it, some they don't like it. It's this way, so you find these 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, play them all on the same time, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, find them all over the keys and find them fast. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, finish it in 5, go back, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, right? So pause the video right now and practice the right hand. The left hand would be exactly the same thing. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Okay? And back. So as you can see, we're having exactly the same fingering like in all the others. Right? Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the 4 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. F sharp, G sharp, A, B. And coming back. Next. C sharp, D sharp, E. And then this one. And then this one. And then this one. And then this one. And then going back. Exactly the same thing like in the other video. Right now, after you practice couple of times right hand, couple of times left hand, I don't think it's hard. I really don't think it's hard. You can put it both hands together. So you either go 1 octave, right? 1 under, right hand over. You should know by now the drill. E, F sharp, G. Right hand, number 1 goes under, number 3 goes on 3 here. So you're gonna do this definitely at least 10 times, right? When you're good at it and you feel more adventurous, you can go to octaves. So you go first octave, very slow. And instead of pressing number 5 with the right hand, right? You go back on the 1, right? You pause a little bit here and you think, what is next? So next it would be to turn 4 on the left hand and immediately pay attention, right hand goes number 1, the thumb under. And then you finish it up. And then you're gonna go again about 10 times. With pausing on each E. Pause, right? And think, what you think? Number 4, and then 3 here, under. and you can go further. You must arrive always on number 1, on E, right? And then you can go back or one more octaves, and so you practice going up about a couple of days until you're good, and then you go down. So right now, what you're thinking about, right hand will do the same thing, same trick that you did with the left hand when you went up. So 4, it's here, 4, prepare the 4, and then immediately turn attention to left hand to do under, right? And then you pause again, and then you go back. Again, the same drill. 4 here, and then number 1 here. If it's too hard, you're just gonna go obviously first 2 octaves. Go slow. Pause, pause. Right hand number 4, 3 left hand under. Right? Pause, turn. So this is today's tutorial. So practice, and I'm seeing you on the next one with B major. I'm telling you, B major, it's not hard to play, but it will have this time a different fingering. So get ready for a completely different way of playing it, the scale, different feeling, okay? So practice this one. If you are a beginner, don't go to the next one. You can just watch it or just go separate way to have an idea how it goes.